I would say approximately 20-25 days earlier, because I think that you are not supposed to reach before 30 days. But if you reach around 20 to 25 days before your orientation, that's a good idea. And in the orientation, they basically talk about how the education culture is in the US. So they understand that we come from a different country and from a different background. So they do give us a gist of how the US education culture is going to be and how the approach of the professors will be, and a basic get together events as well. And they make you work in groups so that you can know your classmates and you can know how the approach of presentations and how your approach of assignments will be. So orientation is useful, yes, because this orientation will help you understand the transition from Indian education culture to the US education culture. Every year the class size differs, I think, but for my year it was 150 to 165 students in one program. So Masters in Information Management had 150 to 165 students. From India, there were approximately 100 to 120 people. From other parts of Asia, like China, there were like another 30 to 40 students, and the remaining were like Americans and fast track students. But yes, there are many things, and there are you will definitely have time for outside activities. Now I'm speaking from information management program because the program is pretty light as compared to computer science program. So for computer science program, I would say that definitely they have rigorous assignments and more difficult course structure, which is why they would have less time for outside activities. So this depends from student to student and program to program. Okay, so for information management, I would say the course structure is pretty relaxed. The professors are really flexible, and yes, you will have assignments for each and every course that you take. But one good thing about the iSchool and the iSchool professors at Syracuse University is that they are really flexible, and the course is pretty relaxed. If to sum it up, it's not really hectic or it's not really rigorous that you will spend up everything or all of your time in doing assignments. Like information management, people might have a general idea, but thinking about Syracuse University, it's not only about information management, it's about dealing with information systems. So when you are talking about information systems, it's about people, process, organization, and structure of any organization. And the course at SU will teach you how to manage these aspects of the organization. They will teach you how to, solve all those IT problems using the right technology implementation. And also, like, there are specializations at Syracuse University, which I'll be talking more about later on. But yes, information management program at SU will be more about dealing with information systems, how to solve IT problems by the right technology implementations and dealing with IT organizations. Speaking about more specializations, so even after picking information management as your master's degree, you can opt for a specialization in data science or in information security. So as I mentioned about dealing with information systems, the picture about data science comes into the entire scenario, or you have the option to pick information security. So depending on your interest, you can tailor the course at Syracuse University, which is another good thing about the university. Credits. Okay, so the minimum number of credits that you need is 9, and the maximum that you can take is 12. So it's like you need to have, so in the first semester you need to have 3 courses and the maximum you can take is 4. But then in your last semester you can take 2 courses, like minimum. So you won't have a restriction in your last semester. And the total credits to graduate was 42, and 3 credits for each course in most of the cases, but some courses are like 2 credits and 1 credit as well.